Hey scientists! Today we're making a paper flower that magically blooms when it touches water. But it's actually not magic. This is powered by some really cool science. Now, to get started, I have some of these paper flower templates available on my website, but you are welcome to draw your own flower if you'd like. And I'm just going to color my flower to make it a little bit more exciting and pretty, but you don't have to. And once you color it, you're going to cut it out, and then we will fold in the paper folds. And I did this two different ways. This first attempt I did it, I used copy paper and I folded in the petals counterclockwise, and you'll see in a second that didn't quite work very well. And so when I redid this, I used cardstock, but I also folded the petals, and I'll show this in the video in a second, folded them opposite one another, because what you'll see here is when I put this in, the petals start to bloom, they start opening up, and then these last couple get stuck. And I didn't know if that was because of the type of paper I used was flimsy and absorbed water too fast, or if it was because I folded the petals too tightly on top of each other and they didn't have space to open. So when I retried this, I changed two variables at once, which you never want to do, but you will see that it actually works better. And so while I show you my second attempt, let's talk about the science behind what is happening in these paper flowers. So as you saw, at first the flower stays folded, and then a few seconds later, the petals slowly begin to open up like a real blooming flower. And this happens because the paper is made from tiny fibers that have a lot of microscopic spaces between them. And when the paper touches water, it starts moving into those tiny spaces through a process called capillary action. And capillary action is the same process that helps water move through plant roots and stems. As water molecules are attracted to the paper fibers, they're going to get pulled through just a little by little, because the water sticks to itself, and as it gets pulled through, it just keeps pulling more water along behind it. And as the paper absorbs the water, the fibers fill up and swell, and the folds in the paper begin to relax instead of being so tightly folded. And as they relax, they unfold and spread outwards. And this is just a really quick and easy experiment that you can try at home. And I have the templates available on my website, 𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪. Until next time, keep discovering.